Hi, I'm Sagar and I'm currently working as a generative AI intern at C-Hub Media Solutions, which is a startup. Our NIAT conducted an exam called Fortnite, where they'll select students and train based on the companies. So in the third drive, I got a conditional offer letter. What our company do is, it will provide service to a pharmaceutical company where they create drugs and give it to the salesperson to talk about the drug with the doctor. What the pharmaceutical company is facing the issue is how the salesperson is talking about the drug. Is he including all the points which are related to that drug, the company's document or not? This is where we come in and we'll record this sales guy and the doctor conversation and we'll transcribe it. With that document, we'll check whether the sales guy is correctly speaking about it or not. This everything is automated and this process is done by me. It's good to get into a startup rather a already built company because you'll get to know a lot of things. How the project is built from the scratch. I'm directly working with founders. After knowing that I got an internship, I first called my father and he felt very, very happy. And when I go to my hometown where we get a break in the company and his friends are talking to me that your father felt very happy about you getting an internship. Yeah, that feeling hits different.